Hey everyone, welcome back to TenorShare channel. I believe you must headache about why your new iPhone 13 won't turn on. It is very annoying that when it happens to you. But don't worry, I know 4 ways that can fix this issue. If your iPhone won't turn on, usually because it is caught in 2 states. The first state is the iPhone is not on and you can't turn it on either. The second state is the iPhone is on but it stays on black screen state. The second state is the most likely one. But either way, I suggest you try my method first. Method 1. Charge your iPhone. It is likely to be your iPhone has run out of power so that it won't turn on. So charge your iPhone. Charge it for more than 30 minutes. Then try to turn your iPhone on again. Method 2. Force restart. You should try this every time your iPhone went wrong. Press the volume up button and quickly press the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button. Keep holding power button. If it goes right, you should be able to see Apple logo show up. Then let go of the power button. But you can see my iPhone is not showing the Apple logo. If you have the same situation, I strongly recommend you try method 3. Method 3. ReiBoot. This is an iOS system repair tool. You can check the download link in the description and download it. Connect your iPhone to PC or Mac. Open ReiBoot. Click the green Start button. Click Standard Repair. Click Download. It will download the firmware that matches your iPhone. Be patient. It won't take long, depending on your network condition. When it is finished, click Start Standard Repair. The repair process might take some time, but it's worth it. Remember, do not disconnect your iPhone during the process. Then you can see your iPhone is already turned on. What a great deal, and none of your iPhone data are lost. Strongly recommend you give it a try. Method 4. Get Apple support. If the above method not working on your iPhone, it is very possible that your iPhone hardware is damaged, so that it won't turn on. The last thing you can do now is to go get Apple support. Follow the guide to get support. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. I will be grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for our next videos.